In this class we are going to discuss gray to binary conversion. In previous classes we discussed binary to gray conversion. For example, if anyone given us some gray code, for example if you are having, so this is your gray code with you. So if you want to convert into binary, the process you have to consider is first bit you need to take as it is. The second bit onwards you are going to get the second bit and third bit and next bits by cross XOR process. So here you are taking this first bit XOR with second bit. So like this you are taking cross XOR, then you are getting your proper binary code. So for example, the first bit is 1, I taken this one, I am cross XORing this one with this second bit, I am going to get second bit in my binary. So 1 XOR with 0, as XOR is a odd one detector, in 1 0 only odd number of 1, only 1 1 is there, so result is 1 here. Again I am XORing this one with this bit. So now I am getting 1 XOR with 1. So for XOR gate we are giving 2 high inputs. So 2 ones means even number of ones. As this is a odd one detector, XOR gate is a odd one detector, then if you given 1 1 to XOR, then it is going to provide you 0. When you XOR 1 with 1, you are going to get 0. Again see here I am XORing 0 with 1 and I am getting, so 1 here, 0 XOR with 1, odd number of ones, so you are getting 1 here. Again this 1 is going to XOR and I am going to get 1, 1 XOR with 0 is 1. Again I am XORing this one with this one and I am going to get 0 here, because 2 ones are XOR providing 0 here. So 0 XOR with 1, again it is providing 1 here. So now this one is going to XOR and we are getting 1 here, 1 XOR with 0, 1 here. And here finally this one is going to XOR with the last bit of gray, going to provide us 0, 1 XOR with 1, 0. This is our binary equivalent of given gray code. Just we need to take cross XOR of bits, result with next bits of gray. So here for example, if this is binary given, if you ask to find out what is the gray equivalent, for example this process gray to binary conversion is over, you just forgot about this, you given this as binary, your binary, convert into gray. So what answer we have to get is this one we have to get, we are getting or not, I am just cross checking. So here in binary to gray conversion we are XORing bits, next bits with next bits, but here binary gray to binary conversion we are cross XORing. You just see the difference. In binary to gray conversion, in reverse process, first bit is always as it is, from next bit onwards we are XORing like this. So we are XORing 1 and 1 and you are getting 0 here. You are XORing 1 with 0, you are getting 1 here. You are XORing this 0 with 1, again you are getting 1 here. And you are XORing this 1 with 1, you are getting 0 here. And here you are XORing 1 with 0, you are getting 1 here. And here you are XORing this 0 with 1, you are getting again 1 here. 1 XOR with 1, 0 and 1 XOR 0. So here you are getting 1. See the equivalence. From this binary again you got gray code equivalent to this. So 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. If you are doing gray to binary conversion, take cross XOR from second bit onwards. Cross XOR answer with next bit of gray. If you are doing binary to gray, basic to gray, then you just take successive bits XOR. First bit always as it is, either that is binary to gray or gray to binary, first bit you need to take as it is. So by this way we can obtain any results from binary to gray or gray to binary.